Welcome to the Graph Digitizer Graphing Data tutorial for the UN-SCAN-IT software. This tutorial will demonstrate some of the graphing data features available within the UN-SCAN-IT Graph Digitizer software. First, we will obtain some XY data by digitizing a graph image. A startup screen will appear when the software is opened, and a pop-up menu will allow you to digitize a graph. The image can come from a scanner, digital camera, internet, or other image source. The image to be digitized should be right side up, where the x-axis is in the horizontal direction and the y-axis is in the vertical direction. For this tutorial, we will automatically digitize a sample TIFF file. We will choose the automatic line follow digitizing mode to extract the digitized data automatically. We will accept the default options for automatic digitizing. We then simply drag and drop the setup icons to the desired locations. After the setup icons are placed on the image, click the Digitize button in the lower right corner of the screen. The UN-SCAN-IT software will then automatically follow the data line. After the data points are digitized, you can graph the data using the UN-SCAN-IT graphing features. The UN-SCAN-IT graphing screen contains a variety of graphing options, including peak integrating, adjusting X spacing, editing, inserting, and deleting points, and a variety of other graphing features. Descriptions of each of these features can be accessed by clicking on the Help button. After using the data graphing features, the digitized data can then be saved to an XY data file or copied to the clipboard. The data points can then be pasted into Excel or any other spreadsheet or data analysis program. Thank you for watching our UN-SCAN-IT Graph Digitizer Graphing Data tutorial. Additional video tutorials are available on our Silk Scientific channel. For more information regarding the UN-SCAN-IT software, please visit the website shown here or contact us directly if you need additional information.